Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have May's Simply Earth. Do you want to know what recipes are going to be in here this time? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so May's Simply Earth just arrived. They do send me this to review, so thank you so much for sending me this to show my viewers. It does have Cheryl who dat did package my box yet again. I normally have her or like one other person. So let's cut the tape and see what we're going to be making. Oh, I did not cut the tape. Okay. Now, when you open it up, that is what it looks like. You have your recipe cards, other useful information, you have stickers, and that is what we're going to be using this month. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what we're going to be making. So they always do give you this sticker sheet, and I really do love this because there's individual ones of the oils that are in here. So if you make anything, you can stick that oil on the product that you made so you know what's inside. And for the recipes, there's little labels on here that talk about the recipes. It gives you good information, and you put it on the product so you know what you just made. And when you want it, you don't mix it up with all these other bottles. So I love that they put this card in here. So this month, let's see what oils we have. So this month's 4 oils is going to be tangerine. Tangerine uplifts, supports focus, aids digestion, supports immunity, always dilute before using on your skin. It's kid safe for 2+, pregnancy safe, yes, cat safe, no, dog safe, yes. So there's tangerine. We have good vibes, supports hormone health. The ingredients in this is lavender, lemon, hoe wood, geranium, clary sage, always dilute before using on your skin, kid safe 2+, pregnancy safe, yes, cat safe, no, dog safe, yes. We have ladies' choice. This relieves PMS symptoms. Oh, definitely want to try that. The ingredients is clary sage, marjoram, lavender, and geranium. Always dilute before using on your skin. It is kid safe 2+, pregnancy safe, yes, cat safe, no, dog safe, yes. The last one, I'm not quite sure how to pronounce that. I'm going to say marjoram. Not quite sure. It warms, calms, relieves pain, and eases congestion. You dilute before using on your skin. Kid safe 2+, pregnancy safe, yes, cat safe, yes, dog safe, yes. So there are all the 4 different essential oils that we will be using to make this month's recipes, which are going to be, the first one is going to be Cramp Care Compress. It's going to take 2 minutes. Shelf life is 6 weeks. The only thing that you will need to supply on here is hot water and a small towel or a cloth. And there's that recipe. We have a Good Vibes roll-on. It takes 1 minute. Shelf life is 1 year, and you will have everything between this box and the bonus box that I will be talking about. Now we have is a complexion face serum. Ooh, that sounds amazing. Takes 1 minute, and the shelf life is 1 year. You will use everything but a soft cloth, which is optional. Everything else will be inside of here, and you will be using this 1 ounce container with this recipe. Then we have is a Positivity Solid Perfume. This takes 5 minutes, and the shelf life is 2 years. You will be using everything within this and the bonus box, except it says a 1/3 ounce container, so I'm going to assume that is what this is for, and everything else is included. So you'll have everything between this and the bonus box for that recipe. Now we will be making is a Balanced Bath Soak. It takes 3 minutes to make, and the shelf life is 3 months. The only thing you will need is a sealable 20 to 32 ounce container, and you will need 2 cups of Epsom salt. And because of this, I do normally have Epsom salt around, and you will be using these dried lavender flowers that came in this kit as well. Then the last recipe is a Spring Day Diffuser Blend. It takes 2 minutes, shelf life is 1 year, and you will have everything in here to make that. So the only thing it seems like you really need to purchase it would be the Epsom salt if you make that one recipe, or you can skip it and always make it at another time when you have Epsom salt available. So they always send the 4 oils. They're always different every month with 4 new recipes every single month. They always give you your card every month and all the little goodies to go along with the specific theme that they do. They also always donate 13%. It is always on the bottom of the box. They always donate 13% to some type of organization ending human trafficking, but it's always to help end human trafficking, but it's always 13% of their boxes, which I think is an amazing cause. So it says hormones play an essential role in our bodies. If there is an imbalance, your body will definitely react. Mood swings, difficult sleeping, monthly acne, the hot flashes are all symptoms of a hormonal imbalance. May is Women's Health Month, but I don't think anyone else is taking care of their health quite like you. With this toxin-free box, you can be confident that your health is being supported safely. Love, Simply Earth. So there's that. Here's a sneak peek at next month's box theme. The theme is going to be Oily Aid Kit, Natural Home Remedies. Oils are going to be Bumps and Boo Boos blend, a new Manly blend, cardamom and lavender. Recipes are going to be a burn, solve, skin healing gel, body butter, herbal infused oil roll-on, and a diffuser recipe. Those all sound amazing as well. The extras that you will receive is aloe vera gel and a new dried herb. So that's a sneak peek at next month, you guys. So it says, by buying this month's box, you're helping to support the work of Datanam, DTONNAAM, based in Bangkok, Thailand. They're transforming lives of boys who were forced into human trafficking. So that's who they are donating to this month, and that is all about the organization that they are donating this month, which again is an amazing cause. And they also do have their forums on their Facebook. You can definitely check them out. They make the recipes, so if you have any question on them, you can watch them make them. All of these recipes are super simple, super easy. All of the instructions are right here. And again, if you have any questions, you can watch them make them. You can reach out to them and ask them any questions. This company does stand by all of their oils. If you want to know a little bit more about Simply Earth, I do have a code. Again, they do send me this to review, but using my code will not only get you a $40 gift card to use at a future purchase, but it'll also give you the free bonus box. In that bonus box is going to come with tons of little vials, little roller balls. It has beeswax, coconut oil, carrier oils, all of that you need to coincide with the recipes to make every month. So you get that box completely free as well. And my code is SheCrafty free. So it'll get you the $40 gift card and the free bonus box. So to make your home natural with our essential oil recipes, it includes 4 essential oils, natural ingredients plus fun extras, $150 at least value every month, and you pay $39 per recipe box, and it's free shipping. So it's $39 per month, and you get all of this with the bonus box and the $40 off if you do sign up. They always give you 6 recipe cards with 6 new recipes. So every month you're getting the 4 oils and 6 recipes to make. And there's a new theme every single month. And again, US is free shipping. So you guys go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's theme? What did you think of the recipes that we'll be making? Do you get this? Do you want to get this? Do you like doing things with essential oils? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out. Oh, and sorry, I did throw my hair up in one doo-doo ball today because it's just been outside project day and we've been working outside, and I wanted to show you this box, so I just threw it up. Plus, my really good friend Abby from Abadabs always says that my hair looks good up and I should do it more. And you guys said you liked it when I had it up the 2, so now I'm trying it with 1 to see what you guys think. So sometimes some things are good to just do differently. It takes me longer to do this down ball than it does to straighten my hair, let me tell you. It seems like it. So sorry, I just wanted to throw that in there and let you guys know, because you're probably wondering, oh, what? Because you've never seen that before. So thank you guys so much. Bye.